Hey everyone, welcome back to ForexScholars. I hope you all had a great day yesterday and I hope your day has started very well today as well. So let's talk about what happened actually yesterday. The PPI data came out. The inflation was quite high, as I have been telling that in US the inflation is gonna be high until jobs are gonna keep increasing. If jobs increase, the cash flow will increase and ultimately the prices will increase as well. That's a very simple logic, and that is why Fed is looking to raise interest rates quite aggressively as well. So let's talk about what has happened yesterday. Now currently, if I tell you, I am personally in a gold trade and I have taken this entry around $1,826 because if you take a look at the 1 hour time frame, it is at the bottom of a huge liquidity pool. And this, if you go into a bit more depth on the 1 minute, I have got a very good chop in gold. So this gives me an extra confirmation that maybe there can be a move. Sometimes you have to go out of your system. Sometimes you have to show courage that gold can move, that pairs can move, and ultimately the things can work out in your way. But talking about today morning, I took a trade in gold as well again. I took the trade around here because this OB led to a very good change of character happening in here. So I thought maybe we could see some move in gold early in the morning, but this trade failed miserably. As you can see, I was stopped out near $1,827 levels and I got a -1 hour. But it's completely fine. These trades are what probabilities are all about, because sometimes gold can actually bounce from a very tricky demand zone, but sometimes it cannot bounce from the best of the demand zones as well. So you have to just leave it and let it run. So talking about yesterday, I took one more trade in GBPCHF and I'm gonna talk about that, how I took the trade and how I made $1,200 in it. If you take a look at the GBPCHF chart on the shorter time frame, you can see that yesterday it gave this huge move from 1.108 levels to 1.112 levels, almost if not, it was almost a very good 15-20 pips move. And the reason for taking that trade again was the same liquidity zone. If you can see, this particular area gave a huge move in GBP on the upside, and that gave me the confidence that if there is any liquidity left, I will easily get a 2 hour in this, and that is what happened. I took my entry around this level and I exited at the top and I did not have any problem. I booked almost 1.25 hour, which is around $1,200 for me, and this trade was as simple as that. Now coming to today's trade ideas, I haven't found any trade idea as such, but yesterday night I was looking at USD CHF and this was a very good OB that I marked in USD CHF, but it did not get tapped and it actually started moving way above it, and now it is moving very higher. So I think all the USD pairs are gonna keep moving higher until next week as well, because as I said, inflation is high and Japanese yen is looking very strong to me, and so are the all other against yen pairs as well. So yeah, this is all that I have. There are no trade ideas available. This is a Friday. It is gonna be a boring day. It might get a bit interesting by the end during the New York session, but until then I think everything seems to be quite normal. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my channel, you can subscribe, you can share this to your trading pairs, and you can always comment your queries down below, and you can follow me on Telegram and IG as well.